You're making so much of this tech wreck. I think it's important to define technology, and ubiquitous computing, long-term secular trends of connected devices, autonomous driving, none of those things have changed overnight. We still believe in the secular growth stories, and many of them reside within the tech space, and some of them reside within the new communication services space. And many of them have growth rates that are in excess of the market. Melissa's point about organic growth, I think, is extremely important, because as we're entering the earnings season, we will see companies that have growth and end markets that support organic growth and can withstand these increased input costs and can deliver on the earnings and profitability line more than others that are debt driven, that don't have cash flow generation and don't have end market or geographic footprint to support it.
You made the point about computing versus, the communication services, what was once included in technology, but the two of your funds have a large weighting towards at least half of the thing, if not more than that. And yesterday may not have been the dip, but we've actually lost the leadership in this group. This group has not made a high, since June? I mean, we lost this group back in June, Yana. So how have you been viewing technology as that area of the market has been slumping?
That's a valid point, Melissa. I will say that in our focused growth strategy, where we own about 30 positions, we're underweight information technology space, which is important. The majority of that underweight actually comes from the hardware, equipment, and service companies, but we're overweight other areas of the market, which showcases the fact that there are over 10 different industries populating those two sectors that you talked about. Well, information technology has struggled over the past couple of months, to your point. It remains in the lead, not just on a cap-weighted basis, but also on an equal-weighted basis. And it's still one of only 3 sectors that is doing well. I think it's important to, again, kind of draw back to the long-term secular growth stories. And today we received a CIO report that showcased what the CIOs are expecting to spend in the information technology space in 2019. And so far the predictions are to have budgets increase mid-single digits. The areas that they're particularly in tune with is, again, cloud computing, security, infrastructure. All of those things are not going away. And I recognize that volatility is uncomfortable, but it's par for the course, particularly in the higher growth and higher beta areas of the market, because they've done so well.